may mga times pa din na matawag kayo ni teacher by your Google account, okay? So, you just tell teacher, teacher, my name is Atineri po, okay? So, para ma-remind si teacher. And also, teacher will be calling you ate and kuya, okay? Okay, thank you, Atineri. Okay, now let's go to Cookie Villaroman. Cookie Villaroman. Hi, ate. What's your name?
My name is Ben and I'm 6 years old. I love to draw and color.
Okay. What's your name again, ate?
Bell.
Kasi, Ate Belle. Okay. So, ang cute naman ng boses ni Ate Belle. Okay, thank you, Ate Belle. So, next we have the Grano Kids.
Why?
The Grano Kids.
Okay. My name is Sam and I am 7 years old. I'm turning 8 next month.
Okay, so why do you want to learn or improve your drawing, ate?
Because I want to make my mom proud.
Wow, that's so nice of you. You want to make your mom proud by drawing and getting better. That's very good.
Because last time I made this.
Wow, that's so cute. Did you give that to your mom?
No, I made it.
Oh, you just made it. Okay, very good. Okay, so thank you, ate. So next we have Desmond Rain Lucas.
I'm 9.
Okay, so what's your name, kuya? Kuya Desmond?
My name is Desmond.
Okay. Oh, sorry kasi hindi alam ni teacher. That's why teacher is asking. Okay? So, why do you want to learn or improve your drawing, kuya? Kuya Desmond?
What?
Why do you want to learn or improve your drawing? Okay. Okay, it's okay. Baka mahiyain lang siguro si kuya. Okay. So, next we have Ferric Kilang. Ferric Kilang. Okay, kuya, Ferric Kilang. Okay, parang ata, nag-AFK ata si kuya. Okay, what about Fini Baho?
Yes.
Okay, can you tell teacher your name? Nakikita niyo ba yung presentation ni teacher?
My name is Chester. I am 12 years old. I want to learn how to. I want to improve my drawing to show my talent.
Okay, very good. So you want to show your talent through drawing. Okay, thank you, ate. Okay, next we have Jaden Kaylee.
My name is Jaden Kylie Amugawan, and you can call me Kaylee. And I am 7 years old. And I want to improve my drawing because I want to be artist and I want to draw to learn.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Ate Kaylee. You want to be an artist din pala, just like teacher. Very good. Okay? So, si Kuya Ferric, parang wala siguro na pala si Kuya. Okay? So, baka sira yung mic ni Kuya. Okay, so thank you, Ate Kaylee and Kuya Kyrie. So next we have Jill Altuna. Jill Altuna.
Hello, my name is Alex. I am 11 years old, and the reason why I want to learn or improve my drawing is to be a better artist and be able to be good at painting in the future.
Okay, very good, Kuya Alex. So you're already an artist right now. Okay, so you already paint and draw. Is that so?
I just want to draw.
Okay, very good. Okay, so when you get better at your drawings and paintings, you can have them hanged by other people's house or you can put them in exhibits, okay? So just this month, teacher held an exhibit in our municipality. Okay, so maybe in the future, teacher can also see your artworks hanged in the museums or in the galleries. Okay, that's really good. Okay, next we have Julius Silang Cruz. Julius Silang Cruz. Julius Silang Cruz na account. Naka-open mic lang po, pero wala po kaming marinig. Okay, if you have parang problems with the microphone, you can type na lang po dito sa in-call chat. Okay, next we have Chris Abolencia. Kuya, Chris Abolencia. Chris Abolencia. Kuya, can you open your microphone? Open your microphone muna and then introduce yourself. Okay, so parang di din alam ni Kuya yung ano, or hindi maka-open ng microphone si Kuya. Okay, next we have Maria Gabe. Maria Gabe. Okay. Hi, ate. What's your name?
Maria. Maria Gabe, hi. I am Maria Gabe Marmarata. I am 7 years old. I want to improve my drawing skill because I love to draw.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Ate Maria. Okay, next we have Mariani Cherry Baluyot. Mariani Cherry Baluyot. Mariani Cherry Baluyot. Dalawang account itong kay Mariani Cherry Baluyot. Sino bang unang who wants to speak first? Okay, tatawagin kayo ni teacher isa-isa. Okay? Wait lang ha. So, ano pa muna, Mariani Cherry Baluyot pa muna. Okay, hello everybody. Can you hear teacher?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes po.
Bakit hindi naka-on yung mic yung iba? Kuya, itong nasa Mariani Cherry Baluyot na Google account. Kuya, can you please turn on your microphone and introduce yourself?
I am Aidan Sky B. Adlawan. I am 8 years old. I want to improve my drawing because I want to get better at it.
Okay, very good, Kuya Sky. Okay, do you have a brother or a sister ba that's also here in the call right now? Kasi there are 2 accounts of your Google account kanina na andito. Kuya Sky?
My mom is using another account.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's good. So your mom's using another account so she can monitor you as well. Okay, very good.
Holy shepherd.
Okay, Kuya Kyrie, we can hear you now. Okay, thank you, Kuya Sky. Okay, let's go back to Kuya Kyrie muna. Kuya Kyrie, can you introduce yourself? Kuya Kyrie, itong Fairy Kilang na Google account.
My name is Kyrie Denzel Tikilang, and I want to improve my drawing because I don't know how to draw, and I'm 8 years old.
Okay, that's okay. That's okay, Kuya Kyrie. That's okay. Okay, teacher will be teaching you step by step how to draw, okay? Okay, so next we have Marilyn Flores.
Hi, I'm Jeremy P. Flores. I'm 7 years old. I want to improve my drawing because I want to show it to my mom and my mom will be happy.
Good, so we have another good child in here. So one of your classmates joined this because she wanted to make her mom proud daw. So si ate din naman, she joined here so that, okay, so he joined here para din maging happy yung mom niya. Okay, very good. Okay, next we have Miguel Ray Inigo Ruiz.
My name is Miguel.
Okay, hi Kuya Miguel. How old are you now, Kuya Miguel, and why do you want to learn or improve your drawing?
I'm 15 and I love to draw.
Okay, Kuya Miguel. Thank you, Kuya Miguel. Okay, next we have Riz Kylie Santos.
My name
Riz?
is Riz, and I'm 9 years old, and I want to improve drawing because it's my hobby, and I want to become an artist.
Okay, very good, Ate Riz. Okay, so that's so nice, you're making your hobbies, you're improving it. You're trying to improve it, your skills, and your talents. That's really good. Okay, so next we have Rosaline Lanes.
I am Rosemary Altea Elenis. I am 9 years old. I want to improve drawing because I love art.
Okay, thank you, Ate Althea. Okay, so lastly, we have Safia Rosette. Safia Rosette. Okay, Ate Safia. Okay, so baka na ano si Ate Safia na parang okay. Ate Safia, can you open your microphone?
Sus. It's sus today.
My name is Shafia Rosetta, and I am 6 years old, and I want to improve my drawing because all my friends are already really good at drawing, and my best friend taught me how to draw all the movies. So I want to.
Wow, that's so cute. Okay, you have this anime drawing. So cute, ate. Okay, keep it up, okay? Okay. So, for today, so, diba yung sinabi ni teacher, yung pinakita nyo kanina, the pencil, the sketchbook, the ruler, and the crayons. Okay. So, now teacher has this question. Are the basics important ba daw? Are the basics important? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, so ground rules muna tayo, okay? Before pala tayo mag-proceed. Okay? So, ground rules natin, first of all, so do not turn on your microphones anytime you want, okay? So, while teacher is talking, you mute your microphones. So, if you have to say something to teacher, or if you have a question, or if you want to go to the restroom, you can click the raise hand button or type it in the chat box here, okay? So, yung raise hand button natin is yung kamay na icon. Kita niyo yung kay teacher, naka-raise hand button na si teacher. Okay. So, that's what you click when you want to say something to teacher, okay? Pero, for example, if you really want to, like, if you want to go to the bathroom, if you want to go pee, okay, you can shout it here. Okay? Okay, next is, okay, let's not spam as well, okay? Di ba we have these emojis here? You have the emoji icon, okay? Click si teacher ng isa, for example, heart. Okay? If you want to click a reaction, isang click lang ng reaction, walang mag-spam, ha? Para hindi matabunan yung mga other messages and yung ating, okay, the Grano kids, okay? So, hindi tayo magsa-spam, okay? Again, ano nga sabi ni teacher? Hindi magsa-spam, isang click lang ng emoji, okay? Okay, very good. Okay, so we will be using the emojis. For example, may activity na ibinigay si teacher. Okay, kakasabi nga lang ni teacher na hindi mag-spam ng emoji, nagsa-spam na kayo. Okay, and let's stop clicking the emojis now, okay? So for example, teacher gave you an activity. Teacher showed you how to do it, and then sinabi ni teacher, okay, now it's time for you to do your activity, and then teacher gave you 10 minutes to do it, okay? If natapos na kayo, do not open your microphone and say, teacher, I'm done, okay? Kasi pag ganyan, yung mga classmates nyo na hindi pa tapos, mape-pressure sila. So what you do, you just type in the chat box, teacher, I'm done, or you click the heart emoji, okay? Okay, and then, there will be no bullying, no curse words, and no homophobic here in our class, okay? So, hindi yun gusto ni teacher na pag mag-o-open mic lang kayo, tapos meron biglang magko-curse, okay? So, walang bad words dito, okay? Wala ding magbubully sa classmates. Okay, walang magsasabing, ang pangit naman ng drawing mo, ang ganda sa akin. Walang ganun, okay? We are a friendly environment here.
Teacher,
Yes po, ate.
can I go to the bathroom?
Yeah, you can go to the bathroom. Okay? Okay. So, next, every time we go to our class, so, exactly 9 a.m. talaga nag-o-open si teacher, tapos mag-wait tayo for the other classmates for 15 minutes. So, mag-start tayo by 9:15. So, kanina lang, naka-start tayo by 9:30 kasi bigla ang nag-brown out sa other house ni Teacher Angel. Teacher has to travel pa para magkaroon ng kuryente, okay? And then after we have our lesson, during our class, we will also have our break time, okay? So, di ba sa school, meron kayong recess? So, in our class, we also have our recess, okay? So, during our recess, you can eat your snacks, drink your water, go to the bathroom, and you can also talk to your classmates. Okay, yes, Ate Safia?
Excuse me pa. In my school, we don't have break. We just have snack time. That's it. So,
okay, so parang same lang yun, Ate Safia. Parang yung break time is yung snack time, okay? Okay, so yung break time and snack time natin magdedepende, okay? Kasi, may mga times na baka matagalan kayo sa activity, so yung snack time ni teacher, gagawin na lang natin 10 minutes, yung mga ganon, okay? Pero pag madali nyo din naman natapos yung inyong activities, we can have your snack time for 20 minutes. And during snack time, pwede kayong mag-talk sa inyong classmates dito sa chat box, okay? Pwede kayong mag-ask, what's your favorite, anime? What's your favorite cartoon? What's your favorite book? What's your snacks? You can ask your classmates in there. As long as there's no bullying, okay? Okay, very good. Okay, so understood na ba lahat ng ground rules ni teacher? Yes or no? Okay, very good. Okay. So basics are important because they are the building blocks of our drawings. Wait lang ha, may nag-chat na na parent. Okay. Teacher also Okay, teacher cannot disable the the emoji reaction. That's the only thing that teacher can't enable. Okay. So, itry ni teacher i-off yung yung microphone lahat. Try nyo daw i-turn on. Kung ma-turn on nyo ba, can you turn it on? Yes or no? Yeah, no, di ba? Okay. So, what about sa chat? Try nyo naman mag-chat. Can you chat in our chat box? No pa din. Okay. So, yung chat box and yung yung microphone, pwede yang ma-turn off lahat ni teacher, pero yung emojis, hindi yan ma-turn off ni teacher. So, what you do, don't spam na lang, okay? Okay. Walang magsaspam ng emoji. Okay, so for day 1, we will start with the lines and shapes. Okay, so what are the lines and shapes? Who has an idea what is the line and the shape? Okay, if you want to answer, anong ang gagawin? Click the raise hand button. Okay. Yes, Julius. Okay, yung Julius Silang Cruz na Google account. Okay, what about Ate Kaylee? Nakita ni teacher kanina nag-raise si Ate Kaylee ng hand. Okay, what are the lines and shapes?
Circles, hearts, and diamonds, and rectangle, triangle like that po.
Okay, very good. We have the circles, the triangles, and heart. Okay. So first, we'll start with lines. So, ano daw yung line? Okay, so line is or are a straight or curved marks that connects two points. Okay, so anong tawag sa first line natin? What do we call that? That is a
Straight line.
straight line. Very good. So that line, is it vertical or horizontal? What kind of line do we have here?
Sure.
Okay, we have a horizontal line. Very good. Okay, what about the second line?
Broken
what kind of
line.
line is that? Okay, we have the
Broken line.
broken lines. Very good. Okay, so what about our last line? What kind of line is that? That is a dotted lines. Okay? Okay. So, line daw. So, pwede yung line natin is straight or curve. As long as magkoconnect siya ng 2 points. Okay? So, ano ibig sabihin nun? Ibig sabihin we have here and we have here. And pag magkoconnect sila, that is already a line. Okay? Okay, pwede din naman ganyan. Pwedeng kahit hindi straight so long as 2 points are connected. Okay? Okay, so what kind of line is this one? Okay, that is
Straight line.
okay. That is horizontal straight line.
It is
Okay,
straight
very
line.
good. What about this one?
Curve line.
Curve line.
Okay, very good. It's a curved line. Okay, what about this one?
Wiggle.
Wave line.
Wavy
Wavy
lines.
line.
Very
Wavy
good.
line.
What about this one?
Zigzag line.
Zigzag lines. Very good. Okay, so now for your first activity, di ba you have your ruler? Where's your ruler? Patingin si teacher ng ruler. Okay, so now in your paper, you draw these different kinds of lines, okay? And then, you put label in there. So, ano yung label natin dyan? We have the straight line, the curved line, the wavy lines, and the zigzag line. So, we have, how many lines do we have here?
6.
Are you sure? Okay, we have the different types of lines. How many lines? 4 lang. Kasi straight line, curved lines, wavy lines, and zigzag lines. So, tigda-dalawa lang yung curved line and wavy line. Okay? Okay, so teacher will give you 10 minutes for the first activity. Okay? Can you do that? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, hala parang hindi naman excited na parang ano dapat, yes teacher, we can do that. Again daw, can you do that guys?
Yes, we
Yes.
can.
Okay, very good. That's the spirit. Okay, so teacher will give you until 10:15 a.m. to do this one, okay? Okay. Yes, Ate Safia?
Is it okay if I sometimes also use digital art?
Yeah, yes, it's okay, it's okay. Okay, Ate Safia, once you're done asking teacher question, you can pwede mo na ibaba yung raise hand button mo, okay? You click it again. Okay, very good. Yes, Kuya Kyrie?
Are we gonna do this?
Yes, Kuya, you're gonna do this. And then you're gonna put the label on them, okay? What kind of lines they are. Yes, Fini Baho? Fini Baho, na Google account?
Should I put names under?
Yes, you put names in there. Either a straight line, a curved line,
Is it
a wavy
all?
line, and yeah, you put all the 4.
Okay.
Yes, Ate Safia?
Teacher, for this one, do we put, is this a curved line? This and this?
Those two are curved lines, okay? Okay, very good. So, as well as the wavy lines. Dalawang wavy lines yan, okay? The Grano Kids na Google account.
Teacher, how to spell wavy line?
Ano, ate?
How to spell wavy line?
Okay, how to do the wavy lines?
No, how to spell the wavy line?
Okay, how to spell the wavy lines? Okay, wait lang. Okay, this is how we spell the wavy lines, okay? Wavy lines. Okay, wait lang. Palakihin muna ni teacher. Okay, can you see it now?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, ate, Josephine Solis, the Google account. Ate, do you have a question? Josephine Solis, the Google account. Turn on your microphone first, ate, so teacher can hear you.
Tapos na po ako.
Okay, very good. So, are you done putting the labels as well? Okay, you put the labels as well muna. Okay, you put the straight line, the curved lines, the wavy lines, and the zigzag lines, ate. Okay? Okay, very good. Okay, Kuya Kyrie, what did teacher say about not opening your microphone agad-agad unless you want to ask something? Okay? Okay. Yes, ate. The Grano Kids, what's your name again, ate?
Sam.
Ano, ate?
Sam. That's my name.
Sam. Okay. Ate Sam, what is it?
I'm done.
Okay, very good. So we'll just wait for your other classmates, okay? So you still have 4 minutes. Okay, what is it? Okay, once you're done, you just wait for the other classmates, okay? Okay, yes, ate, Cookie. Cookie Villaroman.
It's Belle.
Oh, Ate Belle. Yes, Ate Belle.
I'm done.
Okay, very good. So, 2 more minutes for the others to finish, okay? So, after that, we will take a picture, okay? Yes, Ate Safia? Okay, Ate Safia's done. Very good. Ate Maria?
I'm done.
Okay, very good. Okay, so again, di ba pag done na, much better if i-type nyo na lang muna, okay? And then nakikita din naman kayo ni teacher, okay? What about Kuya Alex?
Teacher, how to type po?
Okay, you're not going to type it because 'di ba you are writing? So tinype lang ni teacher dito para makita niyo kung ano yung spelling ng wavy line, okay? Okay, Kuya Alex, what is it?
I finished po.
Okay, very good. So is everybody finished now? Okay, so if everyone's finished now, okay, so kindly show your outputs to the camera so teacher can take a picture. Okay? Yes, Pinibaho?
I cannot open my camera.
Okay, send mo na lang sa group chat later, okay?
Okay.
Okay, but for the others who can open their cameras, open your camera na. Ate Sofia, open your camera, ate. Nawala yung camera mo, Ate Sofia. Okay, show your drawings. Okay, show your drawings so teacher can take a picture. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, very good. Okay, did you use your ruler for the straight line? Yes or no? Okay, very good. Okay, so before we go to our next activity, so we'll have our break time muna, okay? Lang. Okay, mag-break time muna tayo since it's already 10:15, okay? So we'll have our break time for 10 minutes, okay? So we will be back by 10:25 a.m. So again, diba, during break time, you can have your snacks, you can have your breakfast, you can drink water, and then, if you want to talk to your classmates, you can talk to your classmates in the chat box, okay? Okay, what is it? Kuya Alejandro. Kuya Alejandro, what is it?
Pwede ba po mag-turn off the camera?
Yes, you can turn off your camera during break time.
Okay po, and by the way, it's Achilles.
Oh, okay. Kuya Achilles. Okay, okay. Yes, Ate Sam, what is it? Ate Sam?
Yes. Well, can you just stay here?
Yeah, you can just stay there and eat your snacks, okay?
I'm not
Okay.
hungry. I ate breakfast already.
Okay, it's okay if you're during break time, you just draw and wait for your other classmates to have the snacks, okay? Okay, you can also talk to them, okay? Okay, you can talk to your classmates in the chat box, okay? Okay.
Okay.
So, if you have questions, okay, you just type it in the chat box as well. So, mag-CR muna sandali si teacher, okay?
I can.
Ang gawa pala yung andam lang na. Ito ano na ito. Yun yung beef, bigyan ano. Wala na kaya. Hindi na kami. Please, ambulance. Wait, sa lang ka. Thank you lang ka. Ikaw di ay nagkaano ka? Wala pa mo ka nagkaon. It's up lang gawin. Okay, what did teacher say about not spamming the emojis? Okay, this class is recorded by Ya so that your other classmates can see it. Your teacher, your parents can see this. If you're being naughty in the class, your parent will see it, okay? So stop spamming, okay? Kuya Renan. Kuya Renan. Ganit yung kaon lang kuya ano. Hindi ko alam. Hindi mo kita ang karne. Water, please. Open the please. Ay, talang konti na jalo. Right, ha? Ano man? Yan mo nung ibababa, di ba? Par. At yung kauban nga lalaki nga itong mga ay karang taas ko, di ba adik mo ito? Buong. Maras eh. Okay, 1 more minute before our... Okay, it's now 10:25 na pala. Okay, are you done with your snacks? Okay, very good. Okay, ate, Josephine Soles. Okay, kahapon daw yung birthday ni ate. Okay, belated happy birthday, ate. Okay, let's go back to our class now, okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good. Okay, so after we're done with the lines, let's now go to the shapes. So, ano yung shapes? So, shapes are enclosed areas with defined boundaries. So, ibig sabihin daw, close yung ating shape, unlike sa line na parang open lang siya, okay? Okay, Ate Sam, do you have a question, Ate Sam? You're raising your, your raise hand button. Do you have a question, Ate Sam? Ate Sam?
Yes.
Do you have a question?
Will we have another break time later?
No, we can't have another break time later. We only have one break time, okay? But don't worry, malapit na din naman matapos yung class natin, okay? Okay, so we have here the circles, some squares, and triangles. Now, let's identify some shapes naman, okay? Di ba kanina nag-identify tayo ng lines? Ngayon, shapes naman. Okay, what's that?
Circle.
Circle.
Circle. Square. Square. Triangle. Star. Star.
Okay, very good. Okay, very good, everybody. Now, let's try to be creative. Okay? So, pag may ipa-flash si teacher na shape or line, so you tell teacher the first thing or object that comes to your mind when you see it. Okay? For example, okay, circle that is color yellow. So, in teacher's mind, yung unang nasa isip ni teacher is sunflower. Yung una naiisip ni teacher. What about you? What do you think when you see this? Yes, Kuya Achilles?
Sun.
Sun. Very good. What about Ate Kaylee?
Sun po.
A sun din. What about Ate Safia?
My light bulb.
A light bulb. Okay, a light. Okay, what about Jill Altuna?
A sun.
Sun. Okay, si Kuya Alex. Okay, so kindly turn on your cameras para mas ma-remember ni teacher yung mga names nyo, okay? Okay, what about Ate Maria?
Marble.
Ano, ate?
Marble.
Marble. Okay, what about Cookie? Ate Belle?
Ball.
A ball. Okay, what about Kuya Kyrie? Kuya Kyrie, hindi ka namin marinig. Parang nag-e-error yung microphone mo. Kuya Kyrie? Hindi ka namin marinig, Kuya Kyrie. Okay. So, tingnan natin. So, first, we have a smiley face and also a sun. Okay. So, what about this one? An object that has all the shapes. Merong square, merong triangle, and merong rectangle. Yes, Ate Kaylee?
House po.
A house. Very good. So, tingnan nga natin. Okay, house nga talaga. Yung triangle is for the roof. The square is for the body and the windows. And the rectangle is for the door. What about this one? What is the shape of the color yellow in the flower? What's the shape? Yes, Kuya Alex?
It is a circle po.
A circle. What about the stem of the flower? What shape is that?
It's a line.
Okay, it's a line. What kind of line? Is it a straight line or a curvy line? What line is that?
It's a straight line.
It's a straight line. Are you sure? Yung mga plants nyo ba sa bahay, meron bang straight line ba yung mga stem nila?
Is it horizontal?
Okay, that is actually a circle and a curved line. Okay, kasi di ba yung sa nature, hindi naman sila super straight. Okay? So, they are curved line. Okay. The camera and mic's not working. Okay lang po. Wait lang ha. My teacher, my parent na nag-chat sa GC. Okay. Okay, so we have a circle and a curved line. What about this one? What kind of line are the rays of our sun? Is it a wavy line or a zigzag line? Yes, Kuya Achilles?
Of course, these are different lengths of straight lines.
Okay, very good. Different angles of straight lines and a circle. Okay, so what about this one? What are the shapes that you can see? Yes, Ate Kaylee, what are the shapes that you can see in the screen?
There's a circles and straight lines. And there's a square and a rectangle.
Okay, very good, Ate Kaylee. We have the straight lines, the circles. We also have this rectangles and squares and trapezoids. Okay, so now let's take a look at the lines and shapes in the modern world. Okay, so for our activity, list all the shapes that you can see in the picture. Okay, so can you see this one? Can you see teacher's presentation ba? Okay, so what you're gonna do, for example, nakikita nyo ba yung balloon? Okay, so you draw the balloon in your paper, you color it. What's the color of the balloon? It's color? Hello, what's the color of the balloon?
Yellow.
Yellow.
Yellow, very
Yellow po.
good. Okay, so
Yellow
you
po.
draw the balloon in your paper, and then you color it yellow, and then anong shape ng balloon? It's a circle. Very good. So, beside it, you put circle. Okay? In your paper. So, you identify all the shapes that you can see. Okay? So, teachers, okay, giving you 15 minutes for this one. Okay? So, list at least 5 different objects. Okay? So, kahit anong object, yung mga simple lang ang i-drawing nyo, kulayan nyo, and then you write the shape beside it. Okay? Again, yung sample ni teacher. Okay, yung sample ni teacher is, okay, gawa tayo dito ng balloon. Okay, example lang to ha. Okay, so gawa tayo ng balloon. So, parang ganyan. Okay, and then what's the color of the balloon again? It's color?
Yellow po.
Okay, it's color yellow. Kulayan natin ng yellow yung balloon. And then, lagyan natin sa gilid ng, anong shape ito? It's the shape of a
Circle.
circle. Okay. Do you understand what to do now for our second activity? Okay, very good. So, wag nyo na i-drawing yung balloon, okay? Kasi example na yun ni teacher. Okay, humanap kayo ng iba, okay? We have a lot of objects here, okay? So, teacher's giving you until 11:50 for this activity, okay? That is 15 minutes. Okay, so if you have questions, just turn on or just chat in our in-call messages, okay? Okay, Kuya Alex, do you have a question? Kuya Alex? Okay, what about Fini Baho?
Sure. How many should I make?
Okay, at least 5 shapes, okay?
Only 5, right? Sure.
Okay, if natapos na ang, if hindi pa tapos ang time, tapos ka na sa 5 objects mo, you can add more, okay?
Okay.
Yes, Josephine. Josephine Soles.
Teacher, sorry po. Nag-update po kasi yung computer.
Okay lang,
Nawala
okay
po.
lang.
Nawala
Okay
po.
lang. Okay. Pero nakahabol ka pa sa instruction ni teacher on our activity. Okay.
Hindi po.
Okay. So, don't cry. It's okay. So, yung activity natin ngayon for the next activity is, we will be looking for objects here. Okay? Example dito. Nakikita mo ito. Itong example ni teacher. So, nag-drawing si teacher ng balloon. Tapos, right next to it is the name of the shape. Okay? So, makikita natin yan siya dito. So, what you do, you draw an object. Okay? Yung simple object lang na kaya mong i-draw. Tapos, beside it, you write their shape. Okay? So, example, you draw the balloon. And what's the shape of the balloon? It's circle. So, you write circle beside it. So, you also color the object. Okay?
Okay po.
Okay. What about Ate Sam? Do you have a question, Ate Sam? Ate Sam? Ate, do you have a question? The Grano Kids. Ate Sam? Okay, baka napindot lang yung raise hand button ni ate. Mhm. Mhm. Hmm? Na, nakatulog na sa balik. Kasi mo pa, pag-abot pagsasa, ang pag-abot lang tuminan. Hmm? Ano naman?
Yes, Kuya Achilles. What is it?
So, di ba you have to find objects that contain shapes? That contain basic
Yes,
shapes?
Kuya. All objects here man have shapes.
So, di ba sa isang object, there are many shapes you can find?
Yes, Kuya. So you try, ano na lang, you try simple lang siya. Parang, for example, another example ha, sa pizza, di ba yung pizza is naka-square yung lalagyan, tapos yung whole pizza is a circle, and then yung pieces is, ano siya, is triangle. So what you do, isa-isa na lang. So either hindi mo lagyan ng box, tapos yung triangle, isang slice lang ng pizza, or isang buong pizza which is circle. Okay?
Okay po.
Kuya Kyrie, i-type mo na lang yung question mo, Kuya Kyrie. Okay? Kasi pag nag-on ka ng mic right now, parang nag-e-echo na something. Okay? Okay, once you're done, you just wait for your other classmates to finish, okay? You still have 4 minutes for the activity.
Okay, it's now 10:50 a.m. Sorry for the echoing. Okay, can you now show teacher your work so we can take a picture? Or not yet? Are you done?
Sure.
Okay, is everybody done? Yes
I'll
or
just
no?
send this to Yes.
Yeah, you can
Hindi
just
pa
send
po.
it to our classroom, to our group chat, okay?
Okay, sure.
Okay, so teacher's gonna give 4 more minutes na lang, okay? So, meron pa kasing ibang hindi nakulayan. You color your objects, okay? Okay, you color your objects. You continue coloring your objects, okay? Okay, teacher's gonna give you until 10:55. Okay, continue it muna. Okay, so yung instruction ni teacher, okay, so maghanap lang ng mga objects tapos kulayan nyo na lang, okay? So we only have 2 minutes, okay? So para makatake din tayo ng picture after.
I'm done, teacher.
Okay, very good. Okay, can we take a picture now?
It's right here.
Okay, everybody show your works. Okay, open your cameras. And then teacher's gonna take a picture. Okay, it's now 10:55 kasi. Okay?
Yellow chair.
Okay, so let's take a picture now, okay? Okay, show your works, Kuya Achilles. Okay? Okay. Okay, it's already time, Kuya. I-continue mo na lang yan later, Kuya, pag-color. Okay? Pwede ba? Okay. Okay, very good. Kuya Ferric, stop spamming the raise hand button. Kuya Ferric, okay? Okay, Kuya Ferric, di ba sabi ni teacher, turn off lang your microphone? Parang nag-error kasi yung microphone mo, Kuya Ferric. Yung sound yes, grrr, parang ganun lang siya. Okay, Kuya Ferric? Okay, Ate Sam, teacher is here. Okay, teacher is here. Let's take a picture now. Ate Sam, where's your drawing? Ate Sam, where's your drawing? Ate Sam? Digrano kids? Mag-take na si teacher ng picture. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Smile! Okay, very good. Okay, so did you like our 2 activities for today? Very simple lang talaga siya.
Opo.
So, yung activities natin is, ano yung activity natin about the different types of lines and the different shapes. Okay? Okay, very good. So, you have an assignment, okay? So, your assignment, teacher will send it in our group chat later, okay? So, for your assignment, you just send it in the group chat, okay? You send a picture of your assignment in the group chat later on, okay? Okay, so did you enjoy our class today?
Yes po.
Yes, very good.
Yes po.
Okay, very good. So, teacher will see you next week, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay, so that's all for today, everybody. Bye-bye!
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, classmates.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye-bye!
Bye. Bye-bye. 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 Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.